What's up, guys? I'm Patty Mayo. Welcome to the hunt. Right now, we're about to go arrest Kaylon Taylor. Funny story, a few days ago, we were serving a warrant like 4 houses down. Noticed this dude's car, took the plate, found out it was the guy we're looking for. There we go. Bing, bang, arame. Just waited for everybody to show up. I see everyone's behind us, and let's go. Make sure you subscribe to Trevor's channel, Fox Recovery. Link is in the description. And click join, watch new videos way earlier. You can go watch this video. I don't even know how many days ago. Like a month, probably. Kaylon Taylor. Kaylon Taylor.
I'm about to fucking trespass. Okay, I don't know.
Ring doorbell. Dark on the inside. Give me a suction cup, Harvey, on this door here.
1 or 2.
1 on this door, a double. And then, that's fine. That's it.
Yeah, suction cups. You want to do it? Yeah, you do it.
T.
Yep.
You're more equipped.
Keep a look through this side window.
Go ahead.
Talk to me.
Can you keep a look?
Talk to me.
Can you keep a look through this side?
Yep. All they got.
Oh, put the double in the back. All we need is 1. All we need is this. Harvey, we're good. All we need is that.
I know. I
You
saw
don't
him.
want to get this window?
I just switched spots with him
Yeah,
in the
go
garage.
ahead and do that.
Here.
We had somebody recently escape out a window. So now we put these little mounts on here.
What about the window by the AC unit?
Had a bunch of shit in front of it.
Okay.
If we can get to them before they get to that, I think.
Copy. We do. The backyard is open to runs.
Okay, then put it on there. Put your other. We'll put one on.
That's my only concern is there's no back fence.
I don't know. Doesn't look like anybody's home. You guys know better than I do, because if you're watching this episode, then someone was home. If not, then this footage died.
Hey, Pat.
Yeah.
Upstairs, 2-3. The 1-2 corner.
Yeah.
Bedroom window, open about that far.
Copy.
Upstairs. Just so you know.
Once he does that, we'll knock it.
Partial open upstairs.
Yeah. Once he does this, we'll knock it.
I'll stay here in the garage.
Yeah.
The other side of the house has no windows at all.
You might be able to put a lock on the garage.
If someone comes in the garage, it's going to be me fighting them, so it's not a big deal. They don't even have like a handle for the garage.
You look at that side window. Keep an eye on the window while I'm searching.
0 movement. Their Alexa has a notification.
420 dispatch. Nobody's seen. Everything's dark. Maybe we make entry through that upstairs window and check it out. Hey, are these doors open?
I didn't check.
Oh, I got one.
Okay. You want to go to the door?
Dispatch 420. I got one black male, all black clothing, orange trim, shorts, no hat. See if he comes and opens that front door. What's the guy's name? Galen? What's the goddamn...
Kaylin Thomas.
Kaylin
Taylor.
Taylor.
What's going on?
I need you to open the door, sir. I have a warrant for Mr. Taylor.
Hey, who that is, though? I don't even want no Taylor. Taylor what? Taylor Gang?
Sir, I have a warrant for this address. If you refuse to open the door, you're going to be obstructing justice and you could be arrested.
Man, listen, man. I don't know about no Wiz Khalifa, about no Taylor Gang, man. Listen, man. I don't know what you talking about.
Okay.
I don't know who you
Do you understand what aiding and abetting is? Harboring a fugitive and obstruction of justice?
Man, show me an affidavit, man.
Okay, well, come out, open the door.
Oh, nah, man. Listen, I got a ring. I'm looking dead at you. I'm looking right at you. No paperwork. How you trying to come?
Watch yourself. Watch yourself.
Nobody want to talk to you? Open the door, you're going to be charged with obstruction of justice. Real simple. Open the door, you can be charged with obstruction of justice. This door is probably poppable.
Hey, do you want me to have Harvey get a ladder up?
Hey, Harvey, put a ladder up on that. T, come over here.
Yep.
So, upstairs window. I'm not doing the talk through the door game for 10 minutes. It's
No,
a
I hate
just a
that
record.
fucking game.
I told him he'd be arrested for obstruction of justice, yada, 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 blah, blah, blah. Fuck you, we're coming in the door.
It's the only door, right? The front
It's
door.
the
I mean?
only door.
Okay.
If he says one, we locked out
Yeah,
back.
yeah. We have one window, but
What's that?
one window in the front right here. You want me to talk to him at the door? Just let him blah, blah, blah while you...
We should probably have some, well... No, why do I want to get shot off a roof or fucking kicked off a roof? I've been on too many roofs. I like the option. Harvey, grab me a pry bar.
Yeah.
This is
Hey, pry bar.
hands.
Hey,
Hands, motherfucker. Hands. Open it.
Hey.
Hands.
Hey.
On the ground.
Hey.
Turn around.
On the fucking ground all the way.
Hey.
Get on the fucking ground or I'll hit the dog button. And my dog's gonna come out and bite your ass. Lay on the ground.
All right, look, man.
Lay on the fucking ground.
Listen, man. Hey, what we doing here?
Right now, we going into custody.
No, not custody for what?
You stop it.
Custody for
Stop.
what? Man,
Stop.
custody for what?
Stop.
Man, custody for what?
Stop.
Custody
Don't.
for what, man?
Don't.
We ain't going
Don't.
no custody.
Don't.
Nah, custody for what?
Don't.
Y'all came
Don't.
here for no reason.
Don't.
Y'all came here for no
Don't.
reason.
Don't.
Y'all
Put
came
your
here
hands
for
behind
no
your
reason.
back.
Nah,
Put your
man.
hands behind your back.
I ain't going out like that. I ain't going out.
Put your
I ain't
hands.
going.
Put your hands behind your back. Put them behind you. Going nowhere.
I ain't going. I'm going. Oh, big bitch. You know that? Oh, big, cause you talking about where I'm going. I'm going. What the fuck is that? I'm going. You big bitch.
Or on the ring.
Y'all came here for Taylor. I don't even know who that is. Hey.
God bless.
What pussy you eat with all that mustache on your face?
Yeah, shut this shit off.
As soon as we get inside the door.
Hey man, hold on, man. Let me talk to y'all real quick.
Dude.
I swear, man. This don't make no sense.
You got him? Thank you.
Big man. Hey,
All right.
hold on.
Put him in the car.
I got you.
But let me talk to you though.
Let me talk to you about what?
Did Cobos find him?
Just because you say you got a warrant, man, that don't mean
Who else lives
nothing,
here?
man. No, I ain't telling y'all shit.
Who else lives here?
I ain't telling y'all
Make this shit easier on yourself.
I ain't telling y'all shit. Fuck you, bro. I ain't
Okay.
gonna lie.
Okay, you ain't gonna lie why.
Fuck you. I'm not telling you shit.
Okay.
Damn.
You're good.
How about you do me a favor, stop eating all that ass?
Okay, I'll call your mom and I'll let her know I can't do it anymore.
Fuck?
Go, get up, bro.
Man, listen, man. Listen.
Go.
Ah, shit. Ah, my knee.
You hurt yourself?
I need the hospital.
Get in there. Come on. Move your feet.
The hospital.
Move your feet.
Oh, shit.
Move your feet. Get in there. Because the next one is I'm gonna slam it.
Our guy's 5'11", 200.
5'11", 200? That's a big boy.
I'm a big boy. At least that's what his driver's license says. I mean,
I haven't had the dog out in a while. We fought the last few of them. All right, we have an upstairs.
let's just clear the main at
Hey.
least.
Harvey, grab me my rifle. Grab my rifle.
No more rifle, right?
No, I'll start there. Yeah, I'll start there, because
Call
then
outs.
if he tries to come downstairs, we'll keep him up there. Have Harvey go to the front, cover that front window. Me and you work up here.
Let's
Yeah.
clear this first.
Identify where he is. I already did.
We have one more room right
Oh,
here.
good.
That's where I was going, but you called me back. We have bathrooms there. Good. I fucking
Check that
You
cabinet.
scared him so bad he left to pee in the toilet.
Huh? All right, go watch the front.
Huh?
See for that window.
I'm gonna get that ladder. I'm
Yeah.
gonna bring it down.
Yeah. I have inert and then green, I think, and then gas.
I got thunder and lightning.
I'm just gonna start holding it like this. Going through fucking doors. Sheriff's office with the warrant! Make yourself known, you're gonna get shot with rubber bullets! You shut that off?
I'm looking. I got it.
You checking into this bed? Sorry. Bathroom.
Okay.
Hands, motherfucker! Hands or I'll shoot you! Hands or I'll fucking shoot you! Let me see your fucking hands! Harvey, get up here!
On my way. I'm just here from outside.
I got low. How you doing, man? You making some bad fucking choices today?
Yeah, I'm making some bad choices.
Yeah?
How you doing with this boy?
I'm about to get my dog.
Alright, come out.
He's sitting right here. Don't fucking show yourself now. I want to see hands. He's gonna bite you if you move too fast. Hands only. Lay on the ground. Lay on the ground.
Okay, I'm on the ground. I'm going.
All the way down.
I'm going. Look, I'm going.
All the way down.
I'm going.
Face away from me. Keep your head pointed that way. Let me secure my dog. Keep your head pointed that way.
Yes, sir.
Do not move. Get left hand.
No, no. Let's not get done now. Let's not get done now.
Can you get a cuff on that one?
Yep.
Oh, you a little heavy little motherfucker.
Easy. Oh, by the way, my dog's still in the car.
Hey, guess what though?
Hey, guess what?
Hey, everybody come check out my house. Hey.
Watch your fuck out.
You good?
Turn on your hip.
I can't move.
I don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
Knees to chest.
Well, not for nothing.
You
You lost a
can't
few
move.
calories.
What are you, fucking dumb?
So you get for giving me a fucking gun empty. You learn that shit. Go pick him up while I freight the fridge.
All right. Hey, here's the deal, my man.
Yeah.
You got no hands.
Yeah.
We're gonna walk down the stairs.
Whatever.
You
Start
act like a
with the
fucking
freezer.
dummy. I'm gonna ride you down the stairs like a sled.
But what if I ride you down?
I don't want to know.
I mean, if that's where you
what's
want to try to
in
play, that's what
the
we can
Jeffrey
do.
Dahmer bag.
Okay.
What if it happens?
Parmesan cheese. No ice cream. They have Jupina and Pepsi. Pepsi will do. It's Pepsi. Harvey wanted a water. They get snacks? Maybe. Girl Scout cookies. They're the crap kind though.
I got you holding on, bro.
I know.
My side.
Okay. Okay, hold on. One thing I'm gonna do y'all common courtesy.
Your partner. Guess what, bro?
How's that feel? Stupid.
You just taught me something, bro. You hold them by the handcuffs and they can't get away. Thank you, Trevor.
You wanna try again? You wanna try again?
Nah, he's been drinking, remember? I suggest you stay.
We need quantity. Popcorn. Let me take my gloves off. I thought everything's on. Nice house.
Hey, man, y'all let me go. I gotta move. Hey, dog.
Get your leg in. Get your leg in. Get your leg in.
Doors closing.
Leg in.
Doors closing. Closing. Closing.
Make sure you bring that.
Stop that. Stop. I'm gonna tase you. I'm gonna tase you.
But they were saving these. What is this? Oh, you're shitting me.
He tried to play dumb. What'd you find?
We're gonna do it with the other guy.
Huh?
Oh,
I mean,
Girl
you
Scout
want aiding
cookie.
and abetting?
Huh?
Oh, good. You want a cookie?
They got a Pepsi. They got Pepsi too if you want Pepsi.
You make a popcorn?
Ah.
Good shit.
Someone just went to the store and got this.
That's so good. Tried to rope and dope. I feel sick. I feel sick.
What?
Dude, tried to play the game.
Is it done?
Didn't think I was holding on to him. Tried to run.
This is like okay.
That's not my brand.
It's a new. Is it new? I don't know.
Symphony.
Yeah.
I'm thirsty.
Someone's gonna be mad we ate the rest of the Girl Scout cookies, guaranteed.
How many did you eat?
The rest of them?
Like how many were in there when you got here?
Like 6.
Oh, that's not bad.
Oh, open it. It's done. Don't burn it.
It's 3 seconds between pops.
Can you grab my gun for me?
I got you. Are you gonna finish that Pepsi?
There's another one in there.
Is this your phone? No.
No.
Cool. You want this water?
It's for Harvey.
Copy. You have everything on your person?
Yep.
Mics, flashlights, everything?
Yep.
Cool. You scared that dude into giving up without even opening the door for the dog.
I know. Where are they?
Harvey's car.
Roll their window.
He's telling me how his wife didn't kiss him for his anniversary, but he found a 39-year-old thick hottie from Orlando.
Hey,
Hey, bro.
Oh shit!
hey, Harvey.
Hey, let me get one.
We brought you water.
Oh, I appreciate it.
Man, hell no, man. Hey.
You said we never look out for you.
We're
Oh,
gonna
I
get
fucking needed this shit.
Down.
Girl with your ass.
Let me get
Hey,
one.
hey,
You gonna get sick again?
Sir, we gonna
So I ain't going to
Commissary.
Stupid.
You can get that in commissary.
Hey, you trying to eat that popcorn? He pop, boy, bump you, boy. Let me go.
Hey, why the Pepsi though?
Hey, where that water come from? Y'all ain't even do shit. Y'all ain't do
Coke.
shit.
I like Coke better.
Como cá?
Y'all ain't do shit.
This is a cheap brand, bro.
Bro.
It's water, you asshole.
Yeah, but still.
I got them water, bro.
No, you get- But look, no, but he get the expensive gourmet. This is Orville Redbacher.
But he has
Hey, do me that. I know you.
Fiji,
Hey,
core
take it
water,
out of- I
or
know-
Coca-Cola.
Yeah, you know me.
Hey, bro,
Coca-Cola in your eyes.
bro, you don't know who that is?
Fuck you, boy.
I looked in his face, bro. That's the fucking weed man.
Oh, you sold me weed.
Nigga, you the fucking weed man.
No way I'm selling you weed. I smoke all my
Take your hat
weed.
off. I bet you got a little bald spot. Told him. Told him.
Every white guy has a bald spot.
I have a
Hey, question.
No.
Hey, question. Whose Girl Scout cookies were those?
Hey, loosen that hat.
They were delicious.
That red shit around your head.
They're delicious. The last row. There was one row left. It was,
You ever been bitten?
huh?
You ever
You
been
really
bitten?
pop popcorn in my
You ever
shit?
been bitten by
That smells good.
Bro, you really just eating my shit.
Yeah, it's good.
You really eating my shit, bro.
Well, I had the Girl Scout cookies in them. That made me hungry, so I. So.
But this one you let
Put your
catch
head
your
right here.
ass.
Put your head right
You
here.
pathetic. How you
your
let
head right
him catch you?
All right, guys.
Bite the shit out.
That's gonna do it for this one. Remember,
Get out your way.
All right, Kobo.
we rated new assholes fridge almost every day. We'll see you on the next one.
The fucking weed man.